His Excellency John Roth, the Ambassador of Federal Republic of Germany. Thank you very much, sir, for accepting our invitation and traveling all the way from Colombo to join us today to witness a success story of a German-funded initiative 3 decades ago. Please let me share a few thoughts with you at this important occasion. Exactly 3 decades ago, on 15 May 1990, ISB was established with the financial and technical assistance of Konrad Adenauer Foundation as an innovative solution to accelerate the industrial development in the northwestern province. It was a great initiative of Honorable Gamini Jayawickrama Perera, the first Chief Minister of the Provincial Council. ISB had a different organizational and funding setup, which was completely different from similar statutory bodies of the Provincial Council. I believe that the founders of ISB wanted to create a regional statutory body with the private sector orientation to promptly address the industrial development needs in the province. In that sense, I believe that ISB was an experiment at that time. I think this experiment has been successful. Today we have gathered here to witness the success of this experiment.
To address you as the Executive Director CEO of ISB, who joined this unique organization in 1990 as an apprentice. I'm really proud to address you on the occasion of this 30th anniversary celebration of ISB. As I still could remember, in 1990, May 15, we gathered in a very small place at the Mr. Y.B. Dissanayaka's office room with Mr. Werner Proll on the other hand, on the other side, and we were discussing how to proceed the ISB. So, as you already mentioned by the compeer, the main intention of ISB is to accelerate the industrialization and investment promotion in Northeastern Province. ISB established as a statutory body passed by the Provincial Council to achieve the objective of investment promotion and industrialization.
Mr. Musamil, Honorable Governor of the Northwestern Province, Mr. Sirisena, Chief Secretary, Mr. Nelakant, Ani Naike, Executive Director, ISB, and all the staff, distinguished invitees, ladies and gentlemen, representatives of the media. I'm very positively surprised how strong your connections with Germany still are. Since I arrived in Sri Lanka, I worked very closely with the German foundations. Although Adenauer doesn't have a direct representative here, they conduct seminars every year also in Sri Lanka. The other German foundations, whether it's the Naumann Foundation, the Ebert Foundation, the Naumann Foundation is here, do the same. I was also positively surprised to see the plaque here when this part was opened, because the then German ambassador Jürgen Elias was my first boss in the Foreign Office. When I was a junior diplomat in 1990, he told me, I am off, I will never return to the Foreign Office again, I will only stay in Asia, because I love Asia so much. So he was ambassador to Vietnam, ambassador, I think his last posting was Sri Lanka, he was number 2 in India, and also ambassador to Mongolia. So I will take a picture later and send it to him, because he is long retired since then. Dear all, I am very pleased again to be here today, because for Germany, development doesn't only take place in the capital. It's very important that development, industrial prosperity is evenly spread all over the country. Germany is a country not with one center, but with many centers. I come from the north, I vote for Hamburg, others are voting for Munich, Berlin, Frankfurt, Cologne. We have a lot of centers. Our cars come from Bavaria, Stuttgart, North Germany, and I think it's very important to have a prosperous development, that development is not concentrated on one spot. And I'm very pleased to be part of that 30th anniversary celebrations of the ISB of the Northwestern Provinces.
To associate with a very important event, the 30th anniversary of the ISB and the opening of the second wing, newly constructed wing of the ISB. So we have, actually I'm thankful to His Excellency and the government and the people of Federal Republic of Germany for assisting the ISB in their road of the development.
මෙනි සංවත්සරයට සමගාමීව කර්මාන්ත සේවා කාර්යාංශයේ අභිනවයෙන් ඉදිකරන ලද නව නිවහන අද දිනේ උත්සවාකාරයෙන් විවෘත කරනු ලැබුවා. මේ අවස්ථාව සඳහා අප විශේෂයෙන්ම ආරාධනා කරා වයඹ පළාත් ගරු ආණ්ඩුකාරවර AJM මුසම්මිල් මැතිතුමා ප්‍රධාන ආරාධිතයා විදිහට ඒ වගේම ශ්‍රී ලංකාවේ ජර්මනු තානාපති ජෝන් රෝඩ් මහතා විශේෂ ආරාධිතයෙකු වශයෙන් උත් කර්මාන්ත සේවා කාර්යාංශයේ සභාපති සහ ප්‍රධාන ලේකම් PBBN සිරිසේන මැතිතුමා ඒ වගේම අදාළ අනිකුත් ප්‍රභූවරුන් සමග ඇතම අපේ ආයතනයක් විදිහට ගොඩක් ආඩම්බර වෙනවා 30 වසරක ගමනේ අපිට හැකියාව ලැබිලා තියෙනවා වයඹ පළාත කේන්ද්‍ර කරගෙන වයඹ පළාතෙන් ඔබට ගිහිල්ලා දිවයින පුරාමත් දිවයිනෙන් ඔබට ගිහිල්ලා ජාත්‍යන්තර තලයේ විවිධ වූ සේවාවන් සපයන ප්‍රාදේශීය මට්ටමේ ආයතනයක් නෙමෙයි ජාතික මට්ටමේ ආයතනයක් දක්වා වර්ධනය වෙන්න. විශේෂයෙන්ම ප්‍රාදේශීය කාර්මීකරණයේ ප්‍රමුඛ පළාතක් ප්‍රමුඛ ආයතනයක් විදිහට වයඹ කර්මාන්ත සේවා කාර්යාංශය හඳුන්වන්න පුළුවන්. ඉදිරි කාල පරිච්ඡේදයේ අපි බලාපොරොත්තු වෙනවා තව දුරටත් අපේ සේවාවන් පුළුල් කරලා තීව්‍ර වූ සංවර්ධන ආර්ථිකයක් කරා යාමට අපගේ උපරිම ශක්තිය සහ දායකත්වය ලබා ගන්න.